Hello, Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you what we're doing today. We just finished putting the spring back together. We had to actually go down to the actual spring place to actually compress this because the tool we had wasn't strong enough to actually compress this one here. So that's a brand new one. That's a new shock. That's brand new. So now we're going to put all the control arms and all the disc, how to assemble everything now. So this is the old one. I'll show you. This is the old spring. Sorry, the old shock absorber. That's the brand new ones on this one here. These are bill stains. So it's all done here. So let's have a look at this one here. Usually on a good shock absorber, it's really hard to press this down with your hand. But I'm just resting my hand on it and it's going down by itself. So you can see. You can see the leak, oil leak, leaking. That's pretty much leaking for a long time. So there, it's pretty bad. So if you turn it upside down, it shouldn't go down by itself, but this one here is going down by itself. Right. And it's not even coming up, it's just sitting there like that, see? Nothing like that. Okay, ready for assembly. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.